We are back in sunny Palm Springs. Welcome to Vista Las Palmas. We're gonna go check out what's behind these cool retro yellow doors today. I'm welcoming our local real estate expert, Marisa Smith. I can't wait to interview here on site today. We're gonna learn more about this Charles Dubois designed mid-century masterpiece, and I'm really looking forward to showing you the details and what a restored property looks like compared to a renovated property with modern finishes. We're gonna go back in time a little bit. Marisa, why don't you come on in? So great to see you.
Good
You ready
to
to go inside?
Let's do it.
All right, come on in. All right, Marisa, we're in this restored mid-century masterpiece. Look around, tell me what you think about some of these items that are original, that give a nod to that 1950s atmosphere. Just highlight those features for me and tell me how they play into this architecture piece.
Yeah, so I think there's several features that really stand out to me, like the original fireplace. We have this planter that's off to the window there, and I actually recently saw a video where someone said Palm Springs is a city that feels like it's been lost in time or stuck in time. So I think that a lot of buyers, or just people in general, like the feeling like they're stepping into a piece of history.
So in this primary bedroom, a design element was added. They ran a beam all the way through so we could lift this ceiling and get you some more volume. A lot of times in mid-century, we're dealing with that really low-lying feeling. This feels large and expansive compared to other Palmer Chrysler Alexander design homes, don't you think?
I agree, yeah, and you know what, that's such an interesting feature that you pointed out, because you're right, typically in these mid-century homes you have the lower ceilings. So that's such a unique feature that they really elevated the ceiling here. But I also think that the large sliding glass door right there with all of the natural light makes the room feel much more spacious as well.
Absolutely.
So when you pair those two features together, yeah, you have a room that feels spacious and comfortable and like you never want to leave it. So Ross, are these casitas a part of the original structure, or were they added on?
They are original. And what is really cool about it and unique to this area, it shows off the custom build of the house. They built it in with this breezeway. That barbecue wasn't there, that was added. But the original structure is. So this was built on the back of the garage. The roofs then connect with a very unique roof line. We have Casita 1, Casita 2, and Casita 3. We're on a 17,000 square foot lot. So it was handpicked to build this huge family compound on and really build a legacy of history. And that history includes Bob Wyan, who was the founder of Bob's Big Boy.
Okay,
And
I recognize him.
there he is. So this was put here by them, sealing their family legacy, sealing the unique custom build that they had Charles Dubois do for them by the famous Alexander Building Company. So Marisa, you're the local expert. I want to talk real estate. So when we're in a mid-century home like this, or anywhere else in the valley, does having a named architect make a difference in the value of the home?
Absolutely. I think you'll see mid-century homes in Palm Springs, and then also, if you didn't know, we have mid-century homes in Palm Desert and Rancho Mirage, even Indian Wells by named architects, and you'll see a premium in price when it comes to those homes when you compare it to homes that are not mid-century.
The desert's a big place, and I know Palm Springs is the mid-century mecca, but where else can you find mid-century here in the Coachella Valley?
They really are sprinkled throughout the entire valley. You could find them in neighborhoods in Cathedral City, like Cathedral City Cove. You could find them in Rancho Mirage, South Palm Desert, La Quinta Cove. You'll find them truly everywhere. But what a lot of people don't know is if you find a mid-century home that has been designated historic, which is typically done because it's been a significant named architect,
right,
you can get quite a significant tax break on your property taxes.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah, our entire valley is really just a beautiful piece of history.
Love that.
And there's benefits for the modern buyer for those homes.
Absolutely, that's huge incentive to come and buy luxury in the desert.
Absolutely.
Well, Marisa, thank you so much for joining me here today. Your insights are amazing. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule. And I'm really looking forward to continuing to work with you and seeing all your work here in the desert.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me and showing me around this beautiful home.
You got it.